conditions, and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio. The severe thunderstorm warning for Vance, Granville, Wake, Durham, Eastern Chatham and Western Franklin counties will expire at 12:15 p.m. New severe thunderstorm warnings have been issued for these areas.
This severe thunderstorm
tornado watch
warning
remains
has been
in effect
updated.
until 1 p.m. for central North Carolina. Repeating, the severe thunderstorm warning has been allowed to expire for the following counties in North Carolina: Chatham, Durham, Franklin, Granville, Vance and Wake. Tornado watch number 26 remains in effect until 1 p.m. for the following counties in North Carolina: Alamance, Chatham, Durham, Franklin, Granville, Harnett, Johnson, Lee, Moore, Orange, Person, Vance, Wake and Warren. Remember, a tornado watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including tornadoes, large hail and damaging winds, in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions, and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information.
Warning,
At
a new special
10:51 a.m.
marine
fog
warning
was
has been
reported at
issued.
the Raleigh-Durham Airport. The temperature was 65 degrees and skies were cloudy. The forecast for rest of today, becoming partly sunny this afternoon. Showers and thunderstorms late this morning, then a chance of showers and thunderstorms this afternoon. Breezy with highs in the upper 60s. Southwest winds 15 to 20 miles per hour with gusts up to 40 miles per hour. Chance of rain near 100%. At 12:04 p.m. heavy rain and fog were reported at the Raleigh-Durham Airport. The temperature was 65 degrees and skies were cloudy. The forecast for rest of today, becoming partly sunny this afternoon. Showers and thunderstorms late this morning, then a chance of showers and thunderstorms this afternoon. Breezy with highs in the upper 60s. Southwest winds 15 to 20 miles per hour with gusts up to 40 miles per hour. Chance of rain near 100%. This is NOAA Weather Radio, all hazard station WXL58, operating on frequency 162.55 MHz. This program originates from the National Weather Service in Raleigh, and is transmitted from an antenna located on the UNCTV tower, near Chapel Hill. The station serves the northeast Piedmont of North Carolina. The current time is 12:12 p.m. Eastern Standard. The National Weather Service in Raleigh has issued a tornado warning for northeastern Wake County until 12:45 p.m. At 12:11 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near RDU International, or near Raleigh, moving northeast at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Raleigh around 12:15 p.m. Wake Forest around 12:20 p.m. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Roseville, William B. Olmsted State Park, Falls Lake Boat Ramp, Pernal, and Falls Lake. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 12:45 p.m. for the following county: Wake, North Carolina.
A new radar indicated tornado warning has been issued.
The tornado warning for northwestern Vance and northeastern Granville counties is canceled. The storm which prompted the warning has moved out of the area. Therefore, the warning has been canceled. A tornado watch remains in effect until 1 p.m. for central North Carolina. The current time is 12:14 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. The National Weather Service in Raleigh has issued a tornado warning for northeastern
A new
Wake
severe
County until
thunderstorm warning has
12:45
been
p.m.
issued.
At 12:11 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near RDU International, or near Raleigh, moving northeast at 35 miles per hour. p.m. Eastern Standard Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Montpelier to Windham to near Tuckahoe to near Black Air to 6 miles east of Moseley to near Manboro, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to trees and power lines. Severe thunderstorms will be near University of Richmond, Virginia Union University, Randolph-Macon College, Mechanicsville, Laurel, Lakeside, downtown Richmond, Ashland, Richmond, and Tuckahoe around 12:20 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Hanover, East Highland Park, Kings Dominion, Bellwood, and Bentley around 12:25 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Chester, Highland Springs, and Dawn around 12:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time.
This special
Migron and Studley around 12:35 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Manquin and Boulaville around 12:45 p.m. Eastern Standard Time.
New information.
Bottoms Bridge and Gillette around 12:50 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Other locations impacted by these severe thunderstorms include Gumtree, Etna Mills, Montrose, Sandston, Glendale, Pocahontas State Park, Beach, Chamberlain, Atlee, and Meadowville. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Please report severe weather by calling 757-899-2415, posting to the National Weather Service Wakefield Facebook page, or using Twitter at NWS Wakefield, VA.
A new severe thunderstorm warning has been issued.
Weather Service in Detroit, Pontiac has issued a special marine warning for Lake Huron from Port St. Luc to Port Huron 5 miles offshore to US Canadian border, Port St. Luc to Port Huron, Michigan, St. Clair River, until 1:45 p.m. At 12:18 p.m., a cluster of showers was located near St. Clair Flats Old Channel Light, moving north at 45 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater and small hail. Source, radar. Impact, small craft could be damaged in briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. The showers will be near Algonac around 12:25 p.m. St. Clair around 12:35 p.m. Port Huron around 12:50 p.m. Move to safe harbor immediately as gusty winds and high waves are expected.
This tornado warning has been updated.
The severe and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions, and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. The National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Stafford County in northern Virginia, southeastern Fauquier County in northern Virginia, southeastern Prince William County in northern Virginia, until 1 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. At 12:26 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 8 miles west of Stafford, moving northeast at 55 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damaging winds will cause some trees and large branches to fall. This could injure those outdoors, as well as damage homes and vehicles. Roadways may become blocked by downed trees. Localized power outages are possible. Unsecured light objects may become projectiles. Locations impacted include Lake Ridge, Montclair, Roseville, Triangle, Dale City, Independent Hill, Garrisonville, Quantico, Ramoth, Woodbridge, Dumfries, Cherry Hill, Heflin, Aquia, Stork, Holly Corner, Occoquan, Glendy, Hartwood, and Ruby. Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado, go at once into the basement or small central room in a sturdy structure. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Severe thunderstorm watch number 27 remains in effect until 6 p.m. for the following counties in Maryland, Calvert, Charles and St. Mary's, and the following counties in Virginia, King George, www.weather.gov/ Saturday, west winds 10 to 15 knots with gusts up to 20 knots, becoming northwest in the afternoon. Waves 1 foot. Saturday night, north winds 5 to 10 knots. Waves 1 foot. Sunday, northwest winds 5 to 10 knots, becoming west in the afternoon.
New information.
Waves 1
this
foot.
Special marine warning
Sunday
has been
night,
updated.
west winds 10 knots, becoming northwest after midnight. Waves 1 foot.
New information, this tornado warning has been updated.
The National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a special marine warning for Tidal Potomac from Cobb Island, Maryland to Smith Point, Virginia, Tidal Potomac from Indian Head to Cobb Island, Maryland, Tidal Potomac from Key Bridge to Indian Head, Maryland, until 2 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. At 12:28 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 9 nautical miles west of Aquia Creek, moving northeast at 40 knots. Hazard, wind gusts in excess of 48 knots. A sudden wind shift from southeast to southwest is expected with this line of
a new
thunderstorms.
special marine warning has been
Source,
issued.
radar indicated. Impact, boaters could easily be thrown overboard by suddenly higher wind and waves capsizing their
New
vessel.
information, this severe
Boats could suffer
thunderstorm warning
significant
has been
damage in
updated.
high winds. Locations impacted include Potomac Creek, Nanjemoy Creek, Quantico, Swan Point, Gunston Hall, Occoquan Bay, Popes Creek, Maryland Point, Port Tobacco River, Colonial Beach, Leesylvania State Park, Cobb Island, Nafhuz Point, United States. 301 Nice Memorial Bridge, Mason Neck State Park, Woodrow Wilson Bridge, Wicomico River, Indian Head, Fort Hunt, and Brent Point. Move to safe harbor immediately as gusty winds and high waves are expected. This is a statement from the National Weather Service. For the following county, District of Columbia, and the following counties, in Maryland, Anne Arundel, Calvert, Central and Southeast Howard, Central and Southeast Montgomery, Charles, Prince George's, Southeast Hartford, Southern Baltimore and St. Mary's, and the following counties, in Virginia, Arlington Falls Church and Alexandria, Central and Southeast Prince William, Manassas and Manassas Park, Fairfax, King George and Stafford. Wind advisory in effect until 4 p.m. this afternoon. South winds 15 to 30 miles per hour with gusts up to 45 to 50 miles per hour.
New information.
The areas
this
affected
severe
include
thunderstorm warning
DC
has been
and
updated.
portions of central, northern, and southern Maryland, and central and northern Virginia. The hazardous weather conditions are expected until 4 p.m. this afternoon. Impacts: gusty winds will blow around unsecured objects. Tree limbs could be blown down and a few power outages may result. Winds this strong can make driving difficult, especially for high-profile vehicles. Use extra caution. Secure outdoor objects. This is a statement from the National Weather Service. For the following counties, in Virginia, Central Virginia Blue Ridge, Northern Virginia Blue Ridge and Western Highland, and the following counties, in West Virginia, Western Grant and Western Pendleton. Wind advisory remains in effect until 7 p.m. this evening. South winds 15 to 30 miles per hour with gusts up to 45 to 50 miles per hour. The areas affected include, in Virginia, Central Virginia Blue Ridge and Northern Virginia Blue Ridge, and Western Highland County. In West Virginia, Western Grant and Western Pendleton counties. The hazardous weather conditions are expected until 7 p.m. this evening. Impacts: gusty winds will blow around unsecured objects. Tree limbs could be blown down and a few power outages may result. Winds this strong can make driving difficult, especially for high-profile vehicles. Use extra caution. Secure outdoor objects. Severe weather safety rules. Severe thunderstorms capable of producing damaging winds are possible this afternoon into this evening across areas of central Virginia to southern Maryland. Residents in these areas should monitor the situation very closely and ensure your NOAA weather radios are set to alert mode. Severe weather warnings for imminent damaging storms may become necessary. Here are some safety rules to keep in mind when severe weather is expected or is occurring. If a warning is issued, seek shelter indoors immediately. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio, information sources from your phone or television for the latest on this potential severe weather event. Additional weather information can be found at weather.gov/Washington or weather.gov/Baltimore. Now for the official National Weather Service forecast for the Washington metro area and the surrounding KHB listening area. Rest of today, showers late this morning, then showers with isolated thunderstorms this afternoon. Patchy fog this afternoon. Some thunderstorms may produce damaging winds this afternoon. Locally heavy rainfall possible this afternoon. Visibility 1/4 mile or less at times this afternoon. Highs in the mid-60s. South winds 15 to 20 miles an hour with gusts up to 45 miles an hour. Chance of rain near 100%. Tonight, mostly cloudy.